This presentation will cover the overview, setup, and management of retention policies in Microsoft Purview. Retention policies help organizations manage their data and ensure that it is retained and disposed according to legal requirements and business needs. We'll explain how retention policies work in Microsoft Purview and the different retention policy types available. Retention policies help organizations ensure their data is retained or disposed of according to the legal requirements and business needs. They can also help organizations minimize the risk of data loss, reduce storage costs, and improve the efficiency of data management. Microsoft Purview supports several retention policy types, including default, explicit, and preservation. We'll explain the differences between these retention policy types and when to use each one. Setting up retention policies in Microsoft Purview involves several steps, including creating a policy, defining the policy settings, and applying the policy to a data source. To set up a retention policy in Microsoft Purview, you need to create a retention policy, define the settings, and apply it to the data source. We'll explain each of these steps in detail. To create a retention policy in Microsoft Purview, you need to define the policy name, description, retention duration, and other settings. Managing retention policies in Microsoft Purview involves several tasks, including updating retention policies, applying retention policies, and monitoring retention policy compliance. To manage retention policies in Microsoft Purview, you need to monitor their compliance, update them as needed, and apply them to new data sources. We'll explain how to perform these tasks using the Purview portal. Retention policies may need to be updated to reflect changes in legal requirements or business needs. We'll explain how to update retention policies in Purview as well. Retention policies are an essential tool for managing data in Microsoft Purview. By setting up and managing retention policies, organizations can ensure that their data is retained or disposed according to legal requirements and business needs, minimize the risk of data loss, reduce storage costs, and improve the efficiency of data management.